Hello everyone, I'm Joey. Welcome to today's tutorial. We'll be taking a closer look at the BeanGo Cube X series smart coffee roaster. In this video, I'll walk you through its structure and how to disassemble it for cleaning. Here is the bean drop gate. This controls when the beans are released. Below it, you'll find the roasted bean tray handle. The tray won't open during roasting, thanks to a built-in safety lock. This prevents beans from spilling out by mistake while the roast is in progress. Once the gate is open, you can pull out the tray safely. Inside, you'll find a small drawer-like tray that collects the silver skin chaff. On top, there's the green bean hopper, where you load your raw coffee beans before roasting. At the back of the roaster, you'll find the exhaust system. Besides the exhaust fan, there's also a mesh filter that traps chaff carried out by airflow. Let's now look inside the roaster. Disassembly is simple and quick. Start with the 4 screws on the outer panel. Step 1. Remove all 4 outer screws. Then hold the front handle and pull outward to remove the front cover panel. Inside, you'll see 4 more screws holding the inner panel in place. Remove these screws by hand. Next, insert your fingers inside, press your thumb on the center shaft, and gently pull the inner panel out. Once removed, you'll see the roasting drum. On the shaft, there's a large hex screw, the only one that requires a tool. Hold the drum steady, turn the screw counterclockwise, and remove it. Now, grip the front bar, hold the shaft firmly, and carefully slide the drum out. Looking at the drum, you'll see inner paddles as well as outer paddles. These help improve convective heat flow inside the drum during roasting. On the right-hand side, you'll notice 2 probes. The top one measures the environment temperature, while the lower one measures the bean temperature. At the top, there's an exhaust outlet, and in the upper left corner, the infrared lamp tube. For cleaning, once you've opened the roaster this far, use a long brush to sweep away dust. Make sure to brush the exhaust outlet and the opposite side as well. That's all it takes to keep the machine clean. Now, let's reassemble the roaster by reversing the steps. First, slide the drum back into place. The back of the drum has a hex socket that fits into the shaft's hex. Push it all the way in. Next, tighten the shaft screw firmly to secure the drum. Then reinstall the inner cover panel. One side is triangular, the other round. Remember, the triangle faces outward. If the shaft doesn't line up, press it slightly with your fingers. It may tilt downward since it isn't fixed yet. Start by installing the top 2 screws, align the shaft, and then fasten the rest. Now reattach the outer cover panel. Make sure the black panel fits neatly inside the white body. Align the top edge with the bar on the body. Push the lower half inward, and it will click into place. Finally, tighten the 4 outer screws. If the screw holes don't align, gently wiggle the panel until they do. Check all 4 screws to ensure they're tight. Once secured, the assembly is complete. And that's how you perform a basic cleaning of the BeanGo Cube X series smart coffee roaster.